Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another pack with me video. I'm going to be going on a little mini getaway to Orlando. We're going to Disney for 4 days. This time I'm going with my husband and his family, my in-laws. This is actually mine and my husband's first time going on a little vacation with them. So I'm super excited and happy that we're gonna go to Disney. If anybody knows me, they know that I absolutely love Disney. So I'm super excited to be going. If you guys want to see what I packed for Disney, please keep on watching my video. Start off with my main luggage, and this is where I have all my clothes. Alright, so on this side is where all my stuff is at. The other side is where I put my husband's clothes at, so I won't be showing that, but here are my things. And as you can see right here, I have my towel. Every time I go on vacation or go anywhere, I always take my own towel because I don't like using the towels they provide in hotels or anywhere else. So I always take my towel. Here I have some of my clothes. These are my tops. And then here are my bottoms. Right here I have my little nightie nightgown and a little sheer robe. And then I have some sandals and then my new sneakers. And then here I have my little radio. And I'm gonna be taking this so I can listen to my music while I'm getting ready in the morning, doing my makeup. So that is what I have in this side. So right here, as you can see, I have my night slippers. I slip these on at night. Here in my mini luggage, this is where I carry all my toiletries, makeup, hair products, and my cameras, my chargers, all that. Here, this pocket, this is a little flap. I usually put my makeup brushes here, and I don't have them yet inside because they're drying. I actually washed them so I could have clean brushes for my vacation. So they're drying, so that's why I haven't put them in here, but I put them in this little, this is elastic, and I put them through here. So on the other side of the flap, this is where I have my millennial pink Minnie Mouse ears. Aren't they super cute? So on this side I have some hair accessories, my ribbons for my hair, and then on this other side I have my pink satin pillowcase, which I always take on vacation. On the inside I have my flat iron to curl my hair, and then I have my hair towel, and I'm also missing my makeup bag, which I have right here. This is where it's gonna go on this side. It's double pouch. I'm not going to show you every little thing that I have in these two bags because it is a lot and it will be quite boring, but you can see there what I'm taking. So here is what I have in this bag. Makeup palettes and some highlighter, curler, and all that. So now on this side, this is where I have my toiletry bag. So the first thing, I have my makeup scrunchie to put my hair back whenever I do my makeup, some makeup pads to remove my makeup. I put some cleanser on these, and then I just wipe off my makeup with it. These two shower gloves, I love these instead of loofahs, so I have those two in there, and then some makeup removal wipes. I have those from Neutrogena, my razor, and men razors are better than women's. So I have this one, and then my makeup mirror to do my makeup with, and then my mini little pink hairbrush, Crest mouthwash. So yeah, this is my favorite, and I have that. I am actually missing one. I have to put the other one in there for my husband. And then here I accidentally put my Urban Decay setting spray. This has to go on the other side, so I'm gonna put that to the side. And then I have some It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, and then I have my Olay body wash, so I have that, some moisturizer, my shampoo, and then I have my Suavecita pomade for my hair. As you can see, I've used this up, and my husband has used it up too because his actually finished, so He's been using mine's conditioner and soap from Tresemme. And then I have some lotion for the skin, for super dry skin, and some body mist. This is cotton candy. I actually have two. I have one in my bag and then one in here. In here I have my toner, some cleanser. The last thing that I have in my toiletry bag is some floss. So I have those, and that was everything in my toiletry bag. And a few things that I'm actually missing, which I've yet to put in, but I'm still going to be using it for tonight and tomorrow, so that's why I haven't put it in, which are mine's and my husband's toothbrush. I have these cute little toothbrush protectors, and I'm going to put these in here. But yeah, I have to put my toothbrush and my deodorant. I love this deodorant so much that I got the travel size of this deodorant, and I actually keep it here in my bag so I will not forget to put it on. I never do, but you know, just in case, I keep it in my bag, so that's why I didn't show it. I also have my vlogging camera charger and my vlogging camera. I have those two things, and then I have my wall charger with a spare battery for my main camera, which I'm using to record this with. And I'm also gonna be I might put my camera in here, or I'll take it in my backpack. I'm also taking this battery charger for my phone. Whenever we go to the parks, my phone might die, so I'm gonna have this to recharge my phone with. And my Disney park pins, I have them all on this lanyard. And then my perfume and my husband's cologne. So that is everything I'm going to be taking in my mini luggage. For bags, I'm going to be taking my Sleeping Beauty Castle crossbody bag, and it has this chain strap. It's chain and faux leather like the bag. My matching millennial pink sequin backpack, they match to my mini ears, and also my marine pillow and little blanket. The blanket's in here. This is such a unique piece. I actually got this in Mexico. I'm gonna be taking this with me in the car so I could use it as a pillow and use the little cute blanket that it comes with. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna take this, but I have this neck pillow. So yeah, those were all the items that I'm going to be taking with me on this mini getaway trip with my in-laws and my husband. I hope you guys enjoyed my packing with me video. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, please leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys in another video. This is my pink world. Bye everyone.